When you're outside at night, the right lighting isn't just comfort, it's safety. This is the PNI Greenhouse WS130 LED reflector, with 100 watts power and strong brightness for outdoor use. The cool 6500 Kelvin light gives clear visibility and defined detail, perfect for yards, parking areas, or building facades. With 100 watts and 8700 lumens, this reflector brightly lights large areas. IP65 water resistance keeps it safe in rain and dust. Easy to mount on a wall or fixed surface, and built to withstand weather, making it a durable long-term choice. Choose the PNI Greenhouse WS130 LED reflector for powerful and clear outdoor light. Check the link in the comments.